I've got a 3/16 thick 3/16 hose connected to the gas tank. We'll just let that gently drain. Now, because it's at this end of the tank, I can do my liftaroo here again. But I tell you, this end of the generator is not light. There we go. That should increase our flow a little bit. Oh, that feels better. Midstream sample, send it to the doc. Hey, that would raise some eyebrows, eh, when they put that under a microscope. Mr. Pender, you're not healthy. Sure isn't rushing out of there, is there? I'm going to try something. You know me. Oh, be careful, Bruce. There's screens and stuff in there. That helped a little bit. I'm going to do it again. Oh, you know what? This hose is just a bit too big. Alright, so I put about 1.5 liters of gas in the tank, and it's still kind of coming out a little yellow. But I'm going to just switch it to a different container now, because that could just be the dregs that are in the bottom of it, eh? So let's just switch this out now, see if it's any different color. So I really mixed that tank back and forth. This is a heavy machine. But there could be at least a half up here. There could be, you know, 1/2 liter of gas sitting in this corner, because I have that side jacked up right there. Seems to be draining a little better too. Perfect! I just got to keep an eye on, make sure I don't spill any. Alright, that's almost the color of the gas that I have. So that we are getting there now. So we'll just let that drain out, and then we'll get to the carburetor. Wouldn't that be fun to get her running today, eh? I don't think that's... I want to go slow. I don't want to do anything wrong. This is a nice generator. Alright, guys. It's kind of like the good, bad, and the ugly or something. So here's the good. Here's the bad. Oop, and here's the ugly. So that's before tank rinse 1, that's after tank rinse 1, and that's after tank rinse number 2. This is the winner right here. Cool, huh?